Are you looking for the best weight bench? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best weight bench on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Body Champ Olympic Weight Bench. This Body Champ Olympic Weight Bench is built for the serious lifter. Anyone looking for both upper and lower body development from home, this awesome bench is an excellent choice. With included safety measures and all included accessories, you will be satisfied for sure on so many levels. Body Champ Weight Bench helps to perform your workouts on a large multiple and variety flat, incline, and decline military positions. This Body Champ Olympic Weight Bench has the ability to adjust the backrest in 7 different positions. You can use this bench to a variety of ways, so that you can work on your pectoral muscles incredibly. The major standout feature that you will love is the wide number of accessories that this bench offers. Though it doesn't offer any barbells or weight plates, it comes with other important accessories that can be utilized for your weight bench workouts. This Body Champ Olympic Bench has dual-action adjustable leg developer with adjustable foam rollers for leg curl/leg extension. Accessories that come with this bench are Preacher Curl Pad, Olympic Plate Adapter, Arm Curl Bar, Spring Clip for Leg Developer, and Ab Crunch. Number 2. CAP Barbell Deluxe Utility Bench. This CAP Barbell Weight Bench is sturdy and reliable. It offers a variety of features and positions to exercise your workout, especially your weightlifting program. This powerful adjustable bench includes 7 adjustable back supports and 3 seat adjustments for maximum support of the back of the lower body, upper body, and hull. It is made up with a 12 and 14 gauge steel frame for stability and durability, powder coated and protects against rust and oxidation. It has a load capacity of 500 pounds in a flat position and 400 pounds in a tilted position. This CAP Barbell Weight Bench is an excellent model for basic exercises like twists and crunches. Again, this adjustable bench brand has anchorage points at the base of the frame that allows you to fix the resistance bands for the variety of your workout. It is a high-quality adjustable bench that has oversized pop handles to easily adjust the bank. The seat and back cushions are finished in artificial leather with box seams for greater comfort and support. This workout bench is ideal for you if you're looking for a soft color option for older users or rehabilitated users. If you're looking for a budget-friendly weightlifter, then the CAP Barbell Deluxe Bench is the right choice for you. Not only does it promise good training, but it is also very robust and has clear assembly instructions. Number 3. Body Solid Powerline Folding Bench. This foldable weight bench has 7 adjustable positions to help a user perform various exercises. The flat bench, the inclined and sloping press, and the shoulder press can be made with different settings. Additional angles also provide more options for targeting different muscle groups at the top of the body. It can also be placed at different angles, making it easier to perform workouts such as triceps and curly extensions. This Body Solid workout bench has received are mostly positive. Most of them have praised the bank for offering great free weight exercises. In addition, it has folding wheels and gussets for the pawn function that can be increased many inches. This Body Solid Powerline bench is actually a great weight bench for beginners. It is difficult to criticize this bench for its shortcomings, mainly because of the price it needs. Solid and stable, the Powerline multi-bench is the perfect dumbbell companion. The bench, which comes completely assembled in the box, offers 7 total adjustment positions, including flat, incline, decline, and near vertical. As a result, it's ideal for chest presses, shoulder presses, crunches, and more. Plus, the bench includes bottom transport wheels for easy mobility. Number 4. Rep Adjustable Weight Bench. Rep Adjustable Weight Bench is ideal for use with handlebars with cage, power rack, or Smith while working at different angles. Its best feature is that it can be set to 7 positions from -20 degrees to 85 degrees, and the seat is set to 4 different angles to give more support when the rear corner changes. The 7 positions are fixed on a bare steel ladder, which prevents the paint from peeling off and falling off the metal-to-metal contact. This awesome adjustable bench have roller skates that you can use to lock your legs while you train downhill. The wheels are coated with vinyl, which facilitates cleaning. Made of 11, 2x2 steel box that makes it durable enough to hold a lot of weight, up to 1,000 pounds. It is ideal for the home because it is light and easy to move because it has wheels on the back. It comes with a thick, sturdy 2.5 seat wrapped in durable textured vinyl for maximum support and comfort. The cushion also measures 11.5 inches on the shoulders and sits between the backrest and the remote seat, padding minimal. People who have purchased this workout bench, they say they are worth the investment they have made. Although this equipment is not cheap, it is worth buying it. Number 5. Body Solid GFID 225. Body Solid GFID 225 provides a wide range of exercises, especially for the upper body. The best feature is that it has the required position, i.e. flat, inclined and inclined, FID, which is preferable when exercising. The decreasing position is the best work on the lower chest and helps to focus on the chest, shoulders, triceps and muscle endurance. If you do not have enough space at home, this weight bench is for you because it has a height of 9 inches when it is flat, making it easier to slide under a normal bed at an angle. The customers reviewed that GFID 225 is totally worth the money, although it does not have the 90-degree position that it cannot do some shoulder exercises. The material is very strong and of high quality, which makes this bench easy to clean. In addition, it is not necessary to assemble because it was once removed from the packaging. GFID 225 is ready to use. It has a lifetime warranty if used only at home but not for commercial purposes. The warranty covers all parts of the bank. This is a perfect training bench as it is functional, portable, compact, and durable. If you need a sturdy device without extra bulky accessories, then this Body Solid GFID 225 collapsible folding weight bench is a great option.